Howdy, hey guys, it's Sirfira Dreamer here for our 100 subscriber special, where we make a Minecraft cake! And I'm here with my proxy Josh, aka Chef Jojo on YouTube. So let's get started! Here are the ingredients today. Vanilla cake mix, milk, vegetable oil, eggs, vanilla, sugar, lemon juice, strawberries, cream cheese, heavy cream, and powdered sugar. So let's make this cake! First, Josh is going to mix 90 grams of milk and 90 grams of vegetable oil into a bowl which has 100 grams of cake mix inside. As he mixes, this is where I want to point out that I did a voiceover because the audio ended up glitching a little bit. Then we add 8 egg yolks and mix them in. Next, add in a splash of vanilla. The splash can be as big or small as you want. And once you're done, set it aside for now. Now to make the meringue. We're going to whip 8 egg whites, 7 grams of our lemon juice, and slowly we're going to drizzle in 100 grams of granulated sugar to evenly dissolve it all. Speed it up and whip until medium firm peaks. Once at medium peaks, we'll gently fold the two mixtures together. It should be one solid color with no yellow or white streaks through the batter. Now we have a greased pan with parchment paper on it. Our oven is preheated to 300 degrees and our mix is nice and ready. So we're going to bake it at 300 degrees for 25 minutes. Be sure to keep your oven closed the whole time it bakes because the steam trapped inside is what keeps our cakes nice and fluffy. Now we have about a minute left. Once the timer goes off, we're going to turn off the oven and let the cake sit there for 5 minutes to start the cooling process. Josh was counting down because he was super excited. Now we're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool completely while we start on the icing. Now we mix a block of cream cheese, 65 grams of powdered sugar, and a splash of heavy cream until fully mixed together. Mochi wanted to say hi, so everybody say hi to her! Hi, Mochi! So the sides got a little shrunken, but we're cutting off the edges anyway to make a uniform square. Then we'll frost it, throw it in the freezer for 15 minutes to firm up, and while that's happening, we'll prep the strawberries. Josh is attempting to dangerously peel the strawberries. He's worked in kitchens for 4 years and has never done this before, so hopefully he won't slice his thumb off. Then, when he's done, he'll cut a bunch of little squares out of the strawberry skins. Now we'll slice it into 4 even squares carefully, unlike what Josh is doing right now, and separate them. Next, we'll use the flat piping tip to pipe the side frosting pixels of the cake and do a layer all around to finish it off. After we put the strawberry cubes on, this is what we got. I decorated the one on the bottom. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I am so excited to see what's to come for the channel and I appreciate every single one of you for your support. And thank you to my chef friend Josh for helping today as well. Go subscribe to him, Chef Jojo. I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace and love.